Yeah, this is a before and after haircut, and I'm starting to go line.
I thank the Lord ain't a fella. Money coming every day, try to tell him. Dope in the air, I can smell it. Anything touching the streets, I can sell it. Southside, that what they yelling. Beans in my pocket, she don't pop excedrin. Party patch out there, I pull up with presents. Bitch, I'm a legend, don't hang with peasants. Compress the zip, made it look like a 7.
I'm knocking the guideline out using the 0 gap, and I'm gradually moving up, on higher levels, changing levels on a ledger.
Lazy niggas always making excuses. Tattoo my name on them city, let's do it. Roll up some dope while she playing some boosie. Bitch, I'm a fabulous nigga, a loser. But how they run up all the bang? And they did no whole shit to do it. Bitch, I'm a beast, I'm a dog, I'm a nuisance. Niggas
please like and share, comment on video for more videos like this. Thank you. Now I'm raking. I'm using a rake technique to smooth everything down. And raking again with the guard on. Now I'm completely balding out with my babeless trimmers. I really don't like going too much on the face. Some people break out from them trimmers because they're so close. I'm lining this mustache up in a 90-degree, 15-degree angle.
Listen, who is this? Yeah, why?
I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side.